pass my driving test today. I'm so excited and elated. But with Dorian's good advice, and he's always been a great teacher.
It's good to pass. It's very good to pass first time, and yeah, I'm really happy I did it with you, Dorian. I don't think any other instructor would have been. I would have been as comfortable with any other instructor. You make it very enjoyable. So thank you.
Drive, and it's all thanks to Dorian.
Just a few words from my pupils who have passed their driving tests in recent times, but to get to that stage you first have to take and pass that dreaded theory test. I'm Dorian, welcome to my channel Think2Success. The aim of the channel is to help you pass your theory test first time. I teach pupils every week, so I know the fears and struggles you go through. So think about subscribing so you don't miss any videos that I put out. I aim to put out video tutorials, hints, tips, tricks, common mistakes pupils make with their theory test, and just keep you up to date with any latest changes. Hopefully I'll catch you in the comments below, and hopefully together we can pass that theory test, and then you can move on to the driving test so you can become free, so you can drive anywhere you want to, when you want to. Hopefully I'll catch you in the comment section.